ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಅಡ್ಡಿಯರ್, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಯಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಮ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ 2, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 4th semester ಬಿಕಾಮ್, CBCS, University of Mysore. Corporate Accounting 2, course outcome. To acquire knowledge and understanding of the concepts, techniques and practices of corporate accounting and to develop skills for decision making. The subjects deals with accounting for general insurance, holding companies accounts, human resource accounting and inflation accounting. Pedagogy. Enlightening about advanced statutory compliance governing accounting in the public company through lecture mode. Solving advanced problems relating to various types of transactions in public company. Collections and explanation of listed company financial statements. Unit 1. Accounting for general insurance companies, fire and marine insurance. Preparation of final accounts as per latest regulation. In this unit, 20 marks question will come main examination, 10 marks problem and 5 plus 5, 10 marks theory question. Unit 2. Accounting for life insurance. Preparation of valuation balance sheet. Preparation of final accounts as per latest regulations. In this unit, total 35 marks question will come your examination, 15 marks problem, 10 marks problem and 5 plus 5, 10 marks theory problem or theory question. Unit 3. Social responsibility accounting. Concept, definitions, futures, need, social income statement, social balance sheet, value added statement, importance, preparation, limitations, corporate disclosures. In this unit, 30 marks question will come your examination, 15 marks problem, 10 marks problem or theory, 5 marks theory. Unit 4. Holding company accounts. Accounting for holding company. Preparation of consolidated balance sheet, minority interest, computation of goodwill, capital reserve, revaluation of assets of subsidiary company. In this unit, 35 marks question will come your examination, 15 marks problem, 10 marks problem or theory, 5 plus 5, 10 marks problem or theory. Unit 5. Human resource accounting. Accounting aspects of human capital, meaning, basic premises, need and significance of HRA, advantages and limitation of HRA, monetary and non-monetary models, cost-based models, acquisition cost model method, replacement cost model, opportunity cost method, standard cost method, current purchasing power method, CPPM. In this unit, 30 marks question will come your examination, 15 marks theory question, 10 marks problem or theory, 5 marks problem or theory. Unit 6. Inflation accounting and income measurement. Inflation accounting concept, limitations of historical based cost financial statements, methods of inflation accounting, current purchasing power method, current cost accounting method including problems, income concepts for financial reporting, measurement and reporting of revenues, expenses, gains and losses, theory only. Analysis of changes in gross profit including problems. In this unit, 35 marks question will come your examination, 15 marks problem or theory, 10 marks problem or theory, 5 plus 5, 10 marks problem or theory. Books for references. Accounting principles. Anthony R.N. and Rees J.S. Richard Irwin. Number 2. Advanced accounting. Gupta R.L. and Radhaswamy M. Sultan and Chand Sons, New Delhi. Number 3. Advanced accounts. Shukla M.C. Grewal T.S. and Gupta S.C. C. Chand and Company, New Delhi. Higher Science of Accountancy. Agarwal A.N. Agarwal K.N. Kitab Mahal, Allahabad. Number 5. Financial accounts. Mishra A.K. Sahitya Bhavan Publishers and Distributors. Number 6. Chakraborty S.K. Human Asset Accounting. The Indian Context in Topics in Accounting and Finance, Oxford University Press. Number 7. Flomhoch Hirsch G. Human Resource Accounting, Advance in Concepts, Methods and Applications, Jose is Publishers, San Francisco, London. These are all the mentioned book we can refer. Thank you one and all.